How to install Control Panel Cooling Unit. 3. Wiring connection. Required tools, materials, power supply line and alarm output line. Required length, Phillips screwdriver. Caution: be sure to read the precautions listed in the instruction manual before starting work. Remove the cover of the power, alarm output terminal block on the back of the cooler. Connect the power wire to the power terminal. Connect securely so that there is no looseness. An alarm can be put to the outside at the same time as the alarm is displayed on the operation panel. Connect wiring to the alarm output terminal as necessary. Reattach the insulation cover and terminal block cover as there were.